Hi, I'm Chris,
And I'm Dina,
and we're here today at the Lexington Heights neighborhood in Willis, Texas.
where you can find the lowest tax rate around, 1.78%.
That's right. So that's going to help you greatly whenever we're calculating that mortgage payment. So let's take a look. This awesome community is going to feature a gated entrance. Come on, let's go see. So right now we're in front of the model home for Alta Homes. You can visit their website at www.myaltahomes.com.
You won't be disappointed in their floor plans. You have a lot to choose from. I'm here with Andres Gutierrez. He is the construction manager for myaltahomes.com. Alta Homes, what is your take on the construction? What are the highlights in your mind for Alta Homes that you want to share?
One of the things I'd like to touch base on is just the high quality products that we use for our houses, the type of insulation we also use, R13 and R31. We also use our roofing. It's known as Tech Shield, so it's a radiant barrier. So it really helps insulate the home really well, and that's kind of how we stand out. That's just one of the key options on how we stand out from our competition.
So not only do you have a low tax rate at 1.78, you're also saving people money on their utilities by having these features you just mentioned.
Correct. Like Energy Star certified saving type of stuff.
Awesome, awesome. Well, if you have more questions about Alta Homes, please reach out to us or you go to myaltahomes.com and see for yourself.
Yeah.
The model home.
Come on in. There's an open house going on, grand opening, but as you can see, you have your own office in the front, an extra bedroom here, and a full bath.
Here you're going to find a half bath, your utility room, and a great open floor plan, great for hosting events. So today we actually have the grand opening here at Alta Homes in Lexington Heights. That's why you can see all these excellent people around. So we have an awesome open floor plan like we were talking about. Your primary bedroom is right off of there. So you have your primary bedroom, great windows, spacious room, and of course you have our primary right off of this room as well.
Finding or selling properties got you feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. You will be happy to know help has arrived. All your property needs and stress-free. One innovative group is here to help. All it takes is one call. So when you're ready for a change, one innovative group is here for you.